Okay, people, here's one for you. Take a good look. This is a laking Toyota Corolla in Sudbury. Yes, Corolla. We have a defective car here, and I called and they refused to do a thing about it. This is our second vehicle. We have bought more than one Toyota, and I can tell you right now, never, ever, ever again. What's happening is that the steering column is seizing, and my mother's 97, I'm 74, handicapped with Parkinsonism, and we're going to get stranded in a parking lot because the steering wheel is completely seizing, and you turn the key and it will not turn. You can't do anything. You're going to be completely trapped. You can't get it to move, you can't get it to start, you can't anything. And has nothing to do with the wheels. It has to do with the wheel steering column. So here you go, Toyota. How dare you tell me that that is normal, that it's normal for cars to seize up and people to be stranded? I don't think so. Stop buying Toyota until they deal with this. That is not what I call customer service. This sucks. Totally sucks.